y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco. Welcome to Yoga Flow Coco. So today we're going to be doing a couple of sun salutations to start off the summer solstice, which just started a couple days ago, but it's never too late. We're here for this new season and super excited for the sun, a lot of fun, and just to relax. So grab your mat, grab your water, and let's get started. So we're going to start off at the end of our mat in mountain pose. So placing both of your feet firm on the ground, standing tall, crown of the head reaches up, palms facing forward. And just holding this pose for a few deep breaths. You can close your eyes here if you'd like. Just take a moment to center yourself in this strong stance. Take another deep breath. Exhale and release and open your eyes. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Walk the hands up to plank. Stacking the hands below the shoulders. Feet hip distance apart. Hold here for just a few breaths. Engage the core. Exhale, release down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. We'll step or hop both of the feet forward to a forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, raise the arms all the way back up. Bring the hands down, back from mountain pose. We'll do this now for Sun Sal B, adding in chair pose. So inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step both of the feet back to plank. Take a breath here. Exhale, bring it down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. We'll step, hop both of the feet up, forward, to forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, rise the arms up, palms facing each other, hinging the hips back to chair pose. Inhale, rise all the way up. Hands back down, palms facing forward to mountain pose, and release. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step both of the feet back to plank. Hold here for a breath. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. We'll step or hop both of the feet forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Back to mountain pose. All right, we'll do that one more time, incorporating chair pose again. So inhale all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step both of the feet back. Take a breath here. Plank. Release all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under, downward facing dog. And step both the feet forward. Release to forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Release to forward fold one more time. And raise both of the arms up to chair pose, hinging the hips back. And then inhale, rise all the way up. Hands to heart center. And then palms facing forward, mountain pose in your strong stance here. Take a breath and release. Inhale, rise the arms all the way up. We'll step the right foot back into high crescent, bending at the front knee, keeping both of the feet pointing forward. And we'll take a twist here. Inhale, rise both of the arms up. And we'll step it back up. Hinge the hips back for chair pose. Inhale all the way up, back to mountain pose. Inhale, rise the arms back up. Step the left foot back this time. Oh, thank goodness, there's a cloud for shade. Bending at that front knee here. Take a few breaths. And we'll take a twist. Forward, hinge the head back to chair pose, palms facing each other. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, release back to mountain pose. We'll take pyramid pose here next. So inhale, rise up. Exhale, forward fold. We'll step the right foot back just slightly, not too far back, pointing both of the toes forward, facing forward. Bring the back parallel to the mat. You can tent the fingers here to hold yourself up. And we'll take pyramid pose here. Just hold for a few breaths. And we'll take revolved pyramid as well. So bringing the right hand around the left, and then we'll twist. It takes a little bit of balance in this pose. Just try to hold yourself with your right hand around your left foot if possible. If this is too much, feel free to stay in the normal pyramid stance. You don't have to get involved. Just want to challenge ourselves a little bit if we can. Then we'll bring ourselves back to regular pyramid. Step the right foot back. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Hinge the hips back to chair pose. Inhale, rise all the way up back to mountain pose, and exhale, release. Inhale, rise the arms back up. Exhale, forward fold. We'll step the left foot back this time. It's pyramid pose, tenting the fingers for a stance. Back parallel to the mat. Both of the legs straightened here. Feel free to shorten your stance. And we'll take a revolved pyramid, just twisting. Take one more deep breath here. And we'll bring it back to the center. Step the left foot forward. Inhale, rise all the way up to chair pose. Palms facing each other. Inhale, rise all the way up this time. And then back down to mountain pose. All right. Inhale, rise, arms all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot back. And we'll take warrior two. Roll the hands up. Back foot is at about a 45-degree angle. Front foot facing forward. Parallel to the mat. Take a few breaths here. Bending at that front knee. And we'll take side angle pose, so bringing the left arm down to the left knee. We'll swing the right arm up and over, or down and over to side angle. Bringing the shoulder away from the ear. Take a few breaths here. Take a bind here by bringing the right hand behind you, bringing the left arm down and under, and just grabbing both hands together. Trying to keep that chest up and forward, using that left knee as an anchor. And we'll bring it all the way back up to warrior two. Curl the hands down towards the front foot. Step the right foot forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. And back to mountain pose. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So inhale all the way up. Exhale, release, forward fold. Hinge at the hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold again, then step the right foot back at a 45-degree angle. Cartwheel both of the hands up, parallel to the mat for warrior two. And we'll take a quick reverse warrior here. Should have been on the first one, but all good. So we'll just bring our right hand back behind us, turning our front palm back, reaching back. Quick breath. Then we'll take our side angle, so bringing the right elbow down to the right knee, and we'll cross the hand up and over, our left hand up and over, for our side angle pose. Oh, another cloud, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm sweating. This is good. It means the workout's working. And it's hot out. It's definitely summertime. And we'll take a quick bind here, so bring the left hand behind you, the right arm down and under, and just grabbing both of the hands together, trying to bring the chest up and forward. And we release, and the right palm down, and then back up to warrior two. Cartwheel both of the hands down, step the left foot forward, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, we're going to rise up to chair pose again, hinging back at the hips. Inhale all the way up. And release to Tadasana, mountain pose. And we're going to take a seat position here. So feel free to sit down on your mats. And we'll take a seated forward fold. So inhale, rise the arms up. Exhale, release into forward fold. Don't have to reach all the way to your toes, just right at your edge is fine. All right, now we'll take a twist here. So we'll take our left foot over our right knee. We'll take our left hand behind us and we'll twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, rise the arms up, and we'll twist to the other side. Bring both of the soles together this time for reclined butterfly. And just hold here for a moment. And we'll release both of the feet towards the front of the mat for Shavasana. Relaxing the breath, release any tension from the jaw. And just focus on your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. And take one more deep breath here. Release. And we'll turn to fetal position for a quick moment. And then press ourselves up. So you're seated. Whew, I am sweating. And it's about to rain, so this is good timing. And feel free to close your eyes here for a quick breath. And we'll slowly flare your eyes open. We'll take both of our hands and sweep them up in the air. Bring the palms together. Reach, 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 reach. And release. Palms to heart center. Thank you so much. Namaste.